Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you some of the items that I have made for Galentine's or Valentine's Day. So anyways, I was checking out Facebook the other day, and I saw this lady posted a picture of some envelope boxes that she had made, and she was inspired by another crafter, and right now I forget the lady's name, but anyhow, I'm gonna have the link. She had actually linked her blog if you wanted to see how she made it and everything. So I'll go ahead and put the link to her blog in the description area of my video. And she was inspired by Clement. I did remember her name. Gosh, I think the other lady's Rhonda. No, not Rhonda. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. But anyway, she has a store. Okay, so and I went ahead and I commented on her blog, and I said, oh my gosh, I have the die for this. And it is a Beck and Ficken die. And so if you have an envelope die, and even if you don't have an envelope die and just make your envelopes through whatever measures that you can always turn it into a box that holds stuff in. Because what I actually had to do was I had to build this part right along here for the envelope box, and it was so super easy. It's just like how you make a regular box, okay? And Jennie has taught me that through watching Jennie's videos. She's Craft Creations. I did remember that one here on YouTube. You can pretty much make a box out of any die. You don't have to get yourself the expensive dies and expensive shapes just because it's a box. Now you can go ahead and take a die and turn it into a box die. So I highly recommend that you hop on over after this video and check out Craft Creations and subscribe to her channel and just let her know that Sandy sent you. So these are going out in today's mail along with other gifts that I have put together for Galentine's, and I just wanted to show you how beautiful these came out. And the paper that I used is from my very own personal collection, which is called La Contessa. And I literally used scraps, not only from La Contessa, but other paper collections from a year ago. I just had scraps that I've been accumulating after doing projects after projects, mini album after mini album, that I thought that in small projects like this, I can just go ahead and use them. See, these are from this collection over here, and what the back looks like is like so. And I did use watercolor paper, and that I learned from Christine. Hi, Christine. She's Shabby Pink House. I learned to use watercolor paper to make something a little bit more sturdy, especially the filigree cuts. These are just for my stash. These are for my spellbinders. And so this is a Becca Ficken die. She's no longer with spellbinders. I don't know what she's doing as of now because she hasn't updated her blog, but I do love her style, and she is one of the first ladies that actually drove me to creating beauties such as these. So I made these, and notice how it has matching colors. I'm not going to show you what it has in there, but I love these. These are available in my Etsy and also in my website. And let me know what you think. I just love the way these came out. They are so pretty. So this is all that I wanted to share with you, okay? Have a wonderful, wonderful day, weekend, month, year.